Welcome to the Ordinary Guy Garage. I'm Scott, and today I got just a quickie for you. Braided lines. A lot of people struggle with these. I struggled with these things a lot until I figured out how I can get it done real easily. So, hang on. All right, so I'm working on the fuel system on the S10, and I got a little fuel tank and some old lines from a friend of mine. Thanks, Dave. And the lines are bad. So they've been sitting a long time, and inside of them, I don't know, I just hooked them up and freaking gas flowed out of them. But I got more line, and let me show you how I do this really easily. Now, when you buy the line, it comes, see the little bit of tape right there, or you can put, tape on it to kind of hold it from fraying. And I used to try to use the tape to hold it while I put the end on, and it sucks. It doesn't work that way very well. So I'll show you how to quickly do this. I take a hose clamp. Oh, come on. Well, I just took this hose clamp apart, and now it doesn't want to go back in. There it goes. Yeah, there we go. Got it going. All right, so you take a hose clamp, you put it on, tighten it up. There's a little bit of tape on this one here, and so it might be a little bit tricky. Hold on, you know what? I'm gonna cut that tip off. Make sure it's not gonna be too long. Oh, yeah, it's gonna be beautiful. Hang on, let me cut this off real quick. All right. Also for cutting it off too, you take a hose clamp. Right now I got the tape on it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my angle grinder with the cutoff wheel, and I'm gonna cut right between the two. Like that. All right, so I got it cut off. Got the hose clamp right there on the end. I'm gonna leave that just like that. I'm gonna reuse these fittings just like I did on the one I just built. I just gotta take them off. See how they fray? Okay, so now I got the two pieces. This one here, that one there. So it's got a little taper there. So the theory is you put the hose in here, and then as you tighten it down, it really crimps it together. So first thing I'm gonna do, and this is the one that'll get you. It's this nut, getting this nut on over these braids. So with it like that, you can kind of move it around till it's just on there. And you loosen up your hose clamp. This is where a third hand would come in handy, but there's really no room for it. You twist her in. You get this hose clamp off. And you can see by using the hose clamp, all of the wires around the edge right on there are all in. It's not quite in on this end, but they're all in. So you just kind of work it on there. It's tight, but these are high pressure lines, I guess. Fairly high pressure. Just about there. Almost there. There we go. It's going now. A little bit more. All right. See, I don't know if you could see it in there. I worked it in. You could see the rubber right there. You can see it in there. But anyways, trust me, it's there. So now you get a little bit of a debris in there too when you cut it, so you got to blow it out with the air. But I'll do that when I do the other side. I don't need to do it on this side right now. So now, heat gun. And so what you got to do is heat up the hose a little bit, you know, because there's a rubber hose in the center there. And so you heat it up a little bit without burning your fingers. Take this and this over here to the vise. It's hot now, so put that in the vise. Spray the end down with silicone. And in she goes. There you go. All right, well, that's it. It's that simple. Fresh lines. I still got to do that in, but it's the same as this. But that's pretty much it. Just a little trick that I've learned. I don't remember where I read about the hose clamp, but I read it somewhere and I thought, hose clamp, really? And then I tried it and man, it works. It works better than anything else. I tried using masking tape. Of course, that didn't work. Electrical tape, duct tape, filament tape, filament tape is this stuff here. It's kind of like a postal tape maybe for packaging or packing tape. I've tried all different kinds of things. Hose clamp is where it's at, and a little bit of patience. So anyways, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Thanks for subscribing. I think I just hit 4,000 subscribers, so yes, thank you very much. See you next time.